The most normal way in which God, through Jesus, enters our lives is in the sacraments. And it's the Catholic religion, church, which has 7 sacraments. It's the only religion which has 7 sacraments, which help us to build our relationship with God, to make our life meaningful. And today's gospel shows the true nature of the sacraments. A woman touches Jesus' garment with faith, and she is healed of hemorrhage. She's been bleeding for many years. No one could cure her. But she said, if only I could touch the tassel of the cloak of Jesus, I will be healed. A man pleads with Jesus to come and heal his daughter. Powerful man. He had authority. He could call his servants, do this, do that. But he could not heal his own daughter. But he had faith in Jesus. He said, Jesus, please, it's my only daughter. Heal her. Raise her up. What Jesus did for these two, He is more than anxious to do it for us.